Ink, a seemingly everyday substance, has a fascinating history that stretches back thousands of years, to a time when human civilization was just beginning to take shape. The story of ink is a journey through the evolution of communication, culture, and creativity. The earliest forms of ink date back to ancient Egypt and China, around 4,500 years ago. The Egyptians, known for their love of writing on papyrus scrolls, needed something to make their marks last. They turned to nature, using a mixture of soot, water, and gum arabic to create a primitive but effective form of ink. This was the ink that the scribes used to record the laws, the stories, and the daily life of a civilization that would come to be known as one of the cradles of human history. At the same time, on the other side of the world, the Chinese were developing their own ink, known as Indian ink or China ink. This ink was made from a similar blend of soot and animal glue, and it was used in a form of art that continues to inspire to this day, calligraphy. Chinese calligraphers believed that the way ink flowed on the paper reflected the very soul of the writer. Can you imagine writing with such care that each stroke was seen as a reflection of your inner self? Ink's evolution. From ancient scrolls to medieval manuscripts, as civilizations grew and spread, so did the use of ink. The Romans refined the art of ink making, introducing iron gall ink, a blend of iron salts and tannin from oak galls. This ink was so durable that many of the manuscripts written with it are still readable today. But it wasn't just about durability, it was about versatility. Roman ink could be used on papyrus, parchment, and even early forms of paper, making it an invaluable tool for record keeping and literature. Fast forward to the Middle Ages, and ink took on new importance in the hands of the monks and scribes who painstakingly copied religious texts and illuminated manuscripts. These manuscripts weren't just copied for accuracy. They were works of art, adorned with intricate illustrations and vibrant colors. But the ink? That was still the core of it all. Iron gall ink continued to be the go-to choice, with recipes passed down through generations of scribes. The process of making ink was both an art and a science, a closely guarded secret that determined the quality of the written word. The birth of modern ink, Industrial Revolution and beyond. The 19th century brought with it the Industrial Revolution, a time of great change and innovation. This period didn't just revolutionize manufacturing, it also transformed the way ink was made. With the advent of new chemical processes, ink production shifted from small-scale, artisanal practices to large-scale industrial operations. Synthetic dyes replaced natural pigments, leading to a wider range of colors and more consistent results. The fountain pen was also invented during this time, creating a new demand for high-quality, reliable ink that wouldn't clog or dry out. Modern ink is a complex mixture of solvents, pigments, dyes, and additives, each carefully designed to ensure smooth writing, quick drying, and vibrant color. The next time you pick up a pen, take a moment to appreciate the centuries of innovation that led to that tiny, seemingly ordinary object in your hand. The science of ink manufacturing, a blend of art and technology. So, how exactly is ink made today? The process begins with the selection of pigments or dyes, which give the ink its color. These pigments are ground into a fine powder and mixed with a solvent, often water or oil, to create a liquid suspension. Additives like resins, stabilizers, and drying agents are then blended in to control the ink's viscosity, drying time, and durability. The mixture is then filtered, tested, and adjusted until it meets the precise specifications required for its intended use, whether that's for a ballpoint pen, a printer, or a luxury fountain pen. The result? A substance that is as much a product of modern chemistry as it is of ancient tradition. From the soot-based inks of ancient Egypt to the high-tech formulations of today, ink has always been more than just a tool for writing. It's a symbol of human ingenuity, a bridge between the past and the present, and a testament to our unending desire to communicate and create. So, the next time you jot down a note or sign your name, remember, you're not just using a pen. You're holding a piece of history, a connection to thousands of years of human culture and creativity.